Namaste. Hamisha Purvabhatia. I, Jeevan Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic Buccal Delivery System. Buccal Drug Delivery System. This topic belongs to the novel drug delivery system for the B Form semester. So now we come to the what is the introduction of Buccal Drug Delivery System. So the Buccal Drug Delivery System has gained significant attention and momentum since it offers remarkable advantages. Over past few decades, Buccal route for systemic drug delivery using mucoadhesive polymers to significantly improve the performance of many drugs has been to profound interest. This topic is Buccal drug delivery system, encompassing the review of oral mucosa and formulation consideration of buccal drug delivery system. So theories and mechanism of the mucoadhesive formulations for buccal drug delivery and active ingredients delivered via the buccal route. Additionally, commercially, technologies and future prospects of this route of drug delivery are discussed. So the pharmaceutical industry has in in generated considerable interest, making it's a major participants in the healthcare industry. The advanced and progress made by pharmaceutical industry have greatly contributed in terms of treatment of disease, thereby enhancing the quality of life over the time. Scientists and researchers in the drug development industries are focusing on alternate routes of administration to add to the potential of approved drug products or to overcome the drawbacks of the oral route. Although oral route is preferred for administration of drug, it is associated with some restrictions. For example, hepatic first-pass metabolism and local GI toxicity and enzymatic degradation with the GI tract. So the characteristics of an ideal buccoadhesive system. So the quick adherence to the buccal mucosa and sufficient mechanical strength, drug release in a controlled fashion facilitates the rate and extent of drug absorption, should have good patient compliance, should not hinder normal functions such as talking, eating, and drinking, should accomplish undirectional release of drug towards the mucosa, should not aid to development of secondary infections such as dental caries. So they possess a wide margin of safety both locally and systematically, should have a good resistance to the flushing action of saliva. So the advantage of the buccal drug delivery system, the buccal mucosa is relatively permeable with a rich blood supply and robust in comparison to other mucosal tissue. So the bypass the first pass effect and non-exposure of the drugs to the gastrointestinal fluids and easy access to the membrane site, so that the delivery system can be applied, localized, and removed easily. Improve the performance of many drugs as they are having prolonged contact time with the mucosa. High patient acceptance and compared to other non-oral routes of drug administration. Tolerance in comparison with the nasal mucosa and skin to potential sensitizers and increased residence time to combined with the controlled API release may lead to lower administration frequency. Additionally, significant cost reduction may be achieved and dose-related side effects may be reduced due to API localization at the disease site. As a result of addition and intimate contact, the formulation stays longer at the delivery site, improving API bioavailability using lower API concentration for disease treatment. So the advantage is a limited absorption area, the total surface area to the membrane of the oral cavity available for drug absorption. So this is the complete session. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening. हाँ मैम बोलो बोलो